You do it.
Hello?
Hello.
Justin?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know who this is Justin, the man who is behind ringtones for Taintstick. Not to mention the new ringtone that if you go... Where do you go, Justin?
Alice Awesome World.
No, cocksucker. Where do you go to get the ringtones?
Alice Awesome World, the ringtone, so there's a link on there.
Oh, and then your phone can do this.
Get these balls. Which is amazing. Get these balls. Hold on, my phone's ringing. Balls. Hold on, I gotta get that. Balls. If I get that. Get these balls. Get these balls. Hello? Yeah, no, I'm on the air right now. Yeah, I'll call you back later.
Or your phone can do this. The quick reenaction with Raw Dog. Wait, shit, did they do it? Man, you take a long time to answer.
The best part is that in order to fake answering his phone, he went through the machinations of yanking it out of his pocket.
He's a team player.
He's a team player. He goes method. Is that what you use on Mall Cop, by the way? Did you
visualize? Oh, yeah. You visualized what's going to happen. I pretended I was a robber. Who was skilled in action sports. Which is hard to get your mind around. Yep. Try that, Keanu Reeves. Whoa.
It's not easy.
No, but I pulled it off, as you'll all find out the 16th of next month. Anyway, Justin, you're the man who makes that phone. Is there any way that you can get that into my phone?
I don't know how. I tried figuring it out, but I couldn't get it.
There's got to be somebody out there can do this. I mean, fucking crying out loud.
The Verizon temporarily disabled that, so if you go to Ellis Awesome World, you can get on there and I can send it to you.
That's not the answer.
Fuck it. Hello, Justin.
Hello, Awesome World.
Yeah, good. Finally, somebody fucking knows who it is. This is not Alice, man. This is Awesome World.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. Any man who belittles LL Cool J by putting "Get These Balls" on cell phones around America, parts of Canada, maybe Mexico, is fucking awesome. And therefore, you have now been officially abducted into Awesome World.
Hell yeah.
Where you will now receive 85 whores, which is way better than 70 virgins, because as you all know, virgins don't know fellatio. Everybody knows that. And in Awesome World, you've got some friends.
Hanging out in Awesome World, it's your boy Uncle Blue Trolley, Captain Ralph from Howell.
Hey, it's Jake Brown. I'm in Awesome World. 85 bitches. Kawasaki Bikes.
Hi, I'm Erica Ellison, and I'm in Awesome World. Want to play?
And I'm Chad Reed, and I'm in Awesome World.
Not to mention you guys.
This is your Uncle Losses. He's running from Motorhead, and I'm in fucking Awesome World. Isn't that awesome?
It is awesome, Lemmy, and it's amazing that you're still alive as well. Justin, you might want to hang in there and you might want to get there as quick as you can, because who knows how much longer Lemmy's going to be in there. He might have to go play some Pac-Man at the fucking Rainbow Bar. Remember, there's free sandwiches, and of course, everything there is made of carbon fiber, just like my fucking sheets. Hear that? Hear it? Listen to this. That's carbon fiber. That was cool. You're in Awesome World, bro. Dog, get the fuck out of here. Oh, you are in? Are you?
I thought he got in it.
Oh, you're in. Well done. And of course, Shoebox is in Taintstick. He's always here too.
With house band.
With Machine Head.
Nice. Did they open up for us?
What?
Did they open up for us?
Sorry, Awesome World is a little deaf from just raging all the time. They do open for us. Speaking of opening, 85 whores open for you, Justin, whenever you want.
Fuck yeah.
Or you can just tell them to beat it, make you a sandwich while you go ride on your new Kawasaki. Thank you, Justin.
Thank you.
Fuck you. You should be way more amped, Justin. You're pissing me off.
This is Justin M.
All right. Thank you, Justin.